You have come to the right place if you are bored. Whatever may have caused your boredness, you have come to the right place. I am dedicating this video to teach you how to grow back your bald spots in no time. There are so many reasons, so many things that can cause baldness, but I'm not here for that. I am here for the solution. So all you need to do is just to sit right back and watch this video to the end and hear me teach you how I grew back my edges to be this thick and how you can grow back yours in no time. I have been there before, and I must tell you that I felt really bad having my edges all gone, not being able to wear out my hair, for people to see my edges bald. My edges started growing as early as a week old, like it was surprising. So if you follow all I'm going to teach you in this video and then apply all I'm asking you to apply on today's video, you are going to grow back your edges in 1 week to 2 weeks. I'm not even joking. I have been there and I documented everything. You guys saw all that. So I'm going to teach you. I'm here to help you see. So watch to the end. So we are going to be making the recipe now. And my first ingredient is fresh neem leaves. I know most of you are in the abroad. You won't be able to access fresh neem leaves. So you can use the powder. Grab a jar like so. Make sure it is clean. All apparatus to be used for this recipe must be clean and sterilized. Our second ingredient is cloves. Just as common as cloves can be, this amazing Ayurveda does magic to hair care. Those of you that must have used this consistently, always tell me in the comment section, and you guys can attest to the fact that this plant or this herb is an amazing one. Combine the two ingredients and then blend them into a paste, or if you have the powder, you can skip this process. Make sure you get them either in paste or in powder. So my first carrier oil of choice is going to be olive oil. You can use coconut oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, whichever carrier oil you have. Boil up some water in your pot. Bring some water to a boil. Place it on your stove. Allow this to boil for a period of time. Place whatever you have in your jar in the boiling water, kind of DIY double boiler method. Now transfer the blended or the paste in the oil in the water bath. Just transfer everything in the oil and stir continuously like so. Stand by this, stir continuously until you see the oil separating, just like what you can see. Turn off your heat and allow to cool down completely and then strain. Once you notice the oil separating from the paste or the powder, that is when this oil is ready. No time frame. Now transfer this oil in your applicator bottle and then it's ready for application. So please listen and listen good. Wherever you are bald, concentrate this on your bald areas. Apply it on your bald areas. But before you start using this wonder oil, please clarify your hair. You can either use clarifying shampoo or you use bentonite clay mixed with apple cider vinegar and water. You can surf the internet for how to do this. I also have a video on how to clarify on this channel. All you need to do is just to click on the on the search bar, type how to clarify hair, and then you will definitely see it on my channel, or you can check from other people's video online. Now clarify your hair before you start using this oil. I kid you not, this is going to work. So all you need to do is to apply this sparingly on your bald areas. Wherever you are bald, apply this oil sparingly. A little goes a long way because oil spreads. So apply sparingly on those areas that you're balding. Use the pop of your fingers to massage. Massage gently, massage gently with the pop of your fingers. But if you have an electric massager, you can use it. That's even better, just so you don't hurt your phalanges. So you massage it. If you're using the pop of your fingers, you move in circular motion. Massage this for 5 to 10 minutes every day. You have to be consistent every day, and that includes your other scalp, the other areas on your head, on your scalp. You too, you can also massage those areas too, just to stimulate hair growth, because blood flow around the scalp increases hair growth, improves hair growth. So all you need to do is to use it to massage your bald spots, your problem areas, your scalp generally, just for growth. And then come back to me in 1 month. I'm giving you 1 month just so in case you're not consistent, but you have to be consistent. I'm giving you 1 month because we are different, all right? And then come and testify as regards what your result is under the comment section of this video. I can't wait to hear your feedbacks. Please, this oil is not for children less than 2 years. If your child is 2 years and above, you can use this oil on their edges, on their hair. Now, you can use this oil for other things, like adding it to your deep conditioners on your wash day, adding it to your shampoos. Yes, people add product to their shampoos to make it even more potent. You can use it as hot oil treatments. You can use it as your pre-poo. You can use it in your masks. You can use it to apply or add to your maxes to make your maxes even more potent. You can use it to seal in moisture. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.